I've been testing pecan pies and here's what I've learned so far. The darker the ingredient, no matter what the recipe calls for, the better the flavor. Dark brown sugar, dark corn syrup. Double egg wash any exposed crust for beauty and taste. Start with whole pecans, take out what are broken, continue to dice them and leave the whole pecans whole. Toast the whole pecans for 3 minutes, add the pieces, toast for another 3 minutes, and then allow to cool completely. Gently warm the eggs to 90 degrees Fahrenheit without aerating them, and melt the butter to bring all of the ingredients closer to the same temperature and to also warm up the protein so you get a nice rise during bake. By folding the pecans into the batter, you are giving them a full and even coating, which is much more effective than pouring the batter over the pecans when they're already in the shell. Confirm that your batch weight and the size of your pie tin correlate. In aluminum foil on a baking stone, you will get a nice heat that goes directly to the bottom of your crust. The custard should still be a little jiggly. The pecans should be caramelized and very dark. The crust should have a lot of color and the bottom crust should be baked and toasted all the way through. Not one of these 3 pies meets my expectations, so the recipe testing continues.